So guys, everyone asking one question here. So how to increasing for Instagram followers? Here, based on your posting or everything, the followers will be increased based on your complete likes. Second option, we have to increasing for Instagram followers from your Facebook page, or you can using for website also. But I'm using right now will be complete website. So I can writing for a lot of blogs will be here. When people come into your blog, they can subscribe our channel. They give a lot of option will be here. In this, I can give option is called Instagram follow button. When you click here, people come into Instagram follow button. Some people don't know how we can follow Instagram profile here. In this purpose, when people read your particular option, I can give the right corner Instagram follow button. The simple step I'll give, the simple code. This code we can give by the blogger one and the website one. We can give by the blogger one and the website one. First of all, select your option, follow on Instagram, select image. We can download any one particular image here. Select here the image and download it. Where you can download, you can download the particular image. Download this. After download this option, here you can give the best name in the particular image. Here is the option. Follow Instagram. This is the image. Fine. Next. In this voice, we have to use our particular code will be here. This is a particular code. Is the image source. You can add by your particular website and Instagram URL. First, I'm adding for Instagram username. Which username you have to follow. You can increase by the follow option will be here. After this, done. Next one, image SRC. First, blog, copy email address, paste it. Where? Upload and blogs. Upload and blogs. First, login cPanel. Go to File Manager. In this application, you can go. Where is the upload option will be here. Check for upload. Here is the upload. In this, what is the my line will be? Blogs. I'm selecting for blogs option. In this, we have to upload for the in this particular Instagram image. Image where you can download from Google here. Just in download. Where is the button will be here? Follow Instagram. Copy the name of here and just you can change your extension option. So just I'm changing here dot png. Add your icon will be your particular icon will be added your particular position. Suppose the image complete remove your background. Remove.bg option we can use. Upload image. We have to select image will be here. We can remove the particular image background. This complete will be give this in this position. Save image. So follow Instagram profile. Same image we can go for it. I can show by the two images. Which one you are comfortable? Add your particular option. In this same extension, change your extension. This is a particular image, give the particular image extension. So every image is more important in a particular option. Just in this, everything is done. Here added by in this option for image. So in this one, which is your comfortable, add it. I'm adding for two options. Copy image. In this, wherever image source, add it, complete, code will be copy, page I'm selecting position will be blogger right side. First we can leave it this option, go back, go back. We have to go to the particular website option, application. Depend on the developers, they are writing for code and update by your particular website. So everything we can updating depend on the developers, the file we are updating for particular websites. So here, just is moving for the particular files, the fetching for every directory content will be here. Every option to increase the followers, compulsory we adding for follow button option mandatory field. So that it will be here, like Facebook, everything option will be there. So that all will be adding for right side corner, increasing for Facebook page likes, and we can increasing by the Twitter followers. Every option will be given by the particular right side the column here. Content will open, view, blog info. So where we can add the code, we can check the code. So I know every code will be here in the particular option. Save change and refresh. After refreshing this code, after fetching the information, they showing for right side corner, showing for follow on Twitter button. Here, two images are I'm using. I'm showing for two images how to we can enable by the your particular website. This all procedure will means to update your website and the particular follow button. Just give me a seconds. Is updating code. Sometime will be taking here. Here is a particular image. I'm using for second image. Copy this address. Simple will be change. Only you can changing for image SRC code. Again updating for blog option. So every fetching information based on a server backup, they're updating the file in the blog info page. They're showing where in the particular website option. When we will click here, they go to Instagram account to follow by your Instagram profiles. This all mean by to increase the Instagram followers. So you're liking good content. People, how we can follow that? Your particular Instagram account. This all been by where? In the particular website will be help to increase Instagram followers and get in touching for Instagram to people know about more on the particular profile option. When you're creating blog option, compulsory follow instructions to add follow on Instagram account. So after this one, here will be changing the particular options. So here is the code and here is the results. This is a particular option will be given by the space option. Here code will be very easy. This code will be available on the my particular blog post. Every code is there. If you need any code link, will be there in the YouTube description. If you're not available in the YouTube description part, you can go to blog option. We can find out code will be in the particular here. So if you increase the followers on Instagram, where you can writing the blog, compulsory mention Instagram followers to increase Instagram followers based on your particular post. So this is a method very useful for every website user to increase the Instagram followers. If you don't have a particular website, we can use it for particular blogger one also. I'm showing for blogger also. Go to blogger website, view blog, go to layout, the layout I'm adding for in the right corner side. Twitter is there. Add gadget. Select your option. Image. Choose file. And one more option will be important. So where you can add the image code is there. This image code we can use in for particular that website also. Simple. In this website image tag is there. copy, add gadget. We can follow image. We can choose link for in this image also. But based on image, I can go for the Instagram profile option. So that is called I'm not using for any option will be here. Just copy for link, click here and save it. Follow on Instagram, click for save. Finally click for in this option. Here will be using for in this image will be here. So image will be not suitable. Change your image option. So image is not suitable. Remove image. Add new image. Save arrangement. This is a particular option. So image length will be very high. You can change it for image length also. We have to use it for different image length. We can use on the particular option. More highlighting purpose, you can use it for highlight image also. Refresh this option. Follow on Instagram here. So this option, when click here, they go to Instagram page. So this is also adding for where blogger option. Just download image, copy the Insta link, update by the particular way blogger option will be here. So every option will be given on the particular things. So these are the we can use on the particular blogger and your PHP and HTML website. PHP and HTML website same. Upload image, give the image source, add your Instagram link, update by the link. This complete code will be given by the Rakesh Tech Solutions blog option. Follow the code, the particular Instagram follow button adding purpose.